Hi everybody, it is Trixie Tutor here. I don't post on here all that much. I have no shame in it. I am now a single parent doing what most single parents do, which is work, take care of their child, sleep, take care of their child, repeat. But today I got a beautiful little package in the mail from the one, the only Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I did a little unboxing slash review of it because this is actually my first Jeffree Star product, and I've been trying to go through and get into the, I'd say beauty community, but I'm actually just trying to get into makeup in general. So I figured, why the fuck not? Just, go through and buy Jeffree Star. This shade that I'm holding right now, and as you'll see later in the video, is Unicorn Blood. I'm a fan of like nudes and darker lipsticks in general, so this one was actually one of the first ones that I wanted to get. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little unboxing slash review video. I hope that I can post more as I get into my little makeup worldness, because I can't really afford it. So whenever I can get new lipsticks, I get new lipsticks, or eyeliner. I'm trying to find a good eyeshadow that doesn't fuck with my eyes. So that's gonna be a fun journey that hopefully we can go along with. Yeah, so you guys are still amazing. You guys are still smart, beautiful, talented, handsome. All the most positive vibes to you. Don't let anybody make you feel any different. Also, it's June. Happy Pride Month to my fellow LGBTQIA. Or maybe it's just QA. There's so many abbreviations. Plus, members, or allies, or whoever. You guys are the biggest and strongest community out there, and I'm so happy that we have made it this far. I only hope that we can just continue to keep on pushing through the fuckos that try to go through and push us down. Make sure that you guys definitely just keep doing what you're doing, because y'all are fabulous. Everyone's fabulous. Doesn't matter your sexuality, doesn't matter your, gender, if you have a gender at all. Doesn't matter. You guys are all fabulous. And anyway, I will see you guys whenever I upload next. Have an amazing Tuesday or Wednesday. Maybe you guys are on Thursday. Maybe you guys are all the way in the future. Either way, have a great life, and I will see you when I see you. Also, this video is definitely not sponsored. Probably will never be sponsored. I don't mind it. I'm completely okay with that. So, and there's no hate towards anything. So, yeah, if you guys are wanting hate, that's not happening. I don't hate on any product whatsoever. So, yeah, not sponsored. No hate. Jeffree does an amazing job. His company does an amazing job. So, yeah, if you're wanting any of that in this video, you can click off. Anyway, bye.
I have never been more excited for a package in my life. Oh my gosh! I can't wait to actually open it. Oh, this is so beautiful. Just like, look. It's a plain white box, but it's still so pretty. I've got a helper. She's gonna help me open it. There's one side. Can you get the other? Ah, good job, bud. Oh, well, you gotta be careful. You're so pretty. Ah! Just look at that packaging. Hey, careful, bud. What does it say? Long-lasting, cruelty-free. Shake for 5 seconds. Hey, mine. Just look And for those wondering, I got unicorn, hey, blood. I'm so excited. So it's a little, I guess, brighter than I expected it to be. But I'm hoping that when you put it on, it darkens. I'll give it a try in a little bit. But just look at that. So worth the wait. Okay, so first off, this smells like root beer float. Like, oh my god, that alone. And secondly, let's give it an old college try here. I'm trying to do this like one-handed, so I'm just gonna.
Oh.
Ignore my cat. He's losing his mind. Huh. It is going on a lot darker, so that makes me happy. Let's see here. I'm doing a really crappy job of this, but that's gonna happen. It gets props for me not having to double dunk. I got cut off. Of course I did. But yeah, it gets props for not having to double dunk. So it's definitely got a long-lasting wear to it. This is like the worst review ever. But yeah, but
Mama.
I like it. The smell is amazing. It came on super easy, which I had to readjust. It's nice. I like it. 10 out of 10. Definitely glad I bought this. Definitely glad.